A car as beautiful and advanced as a Jaguar deserves the highest standard of servicing, and at our Perth and Edinburgh after-sales centres, we take pride in restoring Jaguar cars to peak condition. Our technicians have been trained by the manufacturer and have the expertise to quickly and accurately diagnose any potential problems with your car. When it comes to inspecting and repairing Jaguar vehicles, we're also helped by the cutting-edge facilities at our after-sales centres. Customer care is taken seriously at all John Clark Motor dealerships, so whenever you visit our Perth and Edinburgh centres, you can expect a warm welcome. We also offer MOT testing for Jaguar cars to ensure that they are completely safe and roadworthy, and we'll endeavour to ensure that the test is as quick and convenient for you as possible. Contact us today for further information on Jaguar after-sales services in Perth and Edinburgh.